Nĩ gĩikaro kĩa mwanya thukuru-inĩ wa kothi cia moko wa Meru kĩrĩa kĩharĩrĩirio nĩguo kwanĩria na mwana wa kahĩ kũmenya mathĩna marĩa aracemania namo rĩrĩa arathoma gũkĩoneka ta uge wake ũtiganĩirio.
From the Dean's of Students Office, we've been having several encounters which has made us through the various offices to raise alarm and say that our boys, our men are in trouble. The issues of drugs have become a menace. The issues of low self-esteem has become a menace. And therefore, today we are speaking out and saying it is the high time the society embraces the boy child.
Anake nĩ matarĩirie mathĩna mamwe ma marĩa mageragĩra o mũthenya makiuga ũndũire ũrĩa ũtetĩkĩrĩtie mwana wa kahĩ kwĩitũrũra nĩguo matindĩkĩrĩirie makĩria na maya gũkariganĩra mangĩaga mũmateteri.
Today we see that boy child has encountered a lot of challenges ranging from poor upbringing, societal misunderstandings, all things dealing with drugs, all of them, the traumas that boy child are passing through in the environment. So we decided to come up with this event today so that we get to make boy child to be empowered and to be aware of their rights in the society.
The effects of this rejection, it has led to things like 1, low self-esteem, number 2, indulgence to drug and substance and abuse. Number 3, we have seen them being involved even in LGBTQ. If, for example, we are boys and maybe have been rejected by a girl, maybe another friend has been rejected by a girl, they decide that now instead of going after girls, they decide to cohabit themselves. And that is where the issue of gay is coming in.
Oho arutwo aya nĩ mahoete mwana wa kahĩ handũ hothe Kenya yarũma eyumĩrie na kwarĩrĩria mathĩna make makĩhoya mũingĩ kũmategera matũ na kũmathikĩrĩria o ta arata ao a airĩtu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Maina wa Kĩhara.